Ouch! My tooth! It hurts so much! Oh no! The sugar germs are hurting me!
Emergency! Baby Hippo has a giant toothache! Rescue cars, move out! Hold on, Baby Hippo! We are coming to save your smile!
Please help me! My mouth is on fire!
Rescue team is here! Everything will be okay! Whoa! Whoa! That's a huge mouth! Open wider! Ladder up! Red fire truck ready for action!
Here is the super-sized toothbrush for our friend.
Look at the strawberry toothpaste! It smells wonderful!
Wait! Is it going to tickle?
Trust us, Baby Hippo. It's going to be fun.
Get out of here, germs! The brushing hero is here! Brush the top. Clean them all. Now the bottom. Don't miss a spot. Rinse time. Here comes the water.
Wow! My teeth are so shiny and strong. The pain is gone. Thank you, rescue cars. I love brushing my teeth.
Remember, Baby Hippo, eat more apples and brush your teeth twice a day. Let's spread the healthy smile to everyone. Free toothbrushes for all my friends. Brush every day. Brush in circles. Left and right. Make them shine. Healthy teeth for everyone, even on the farm. I'm a brushing pro now. Go! Watch me go!
No more too much candy. I love my healthy teeth.
Don't forget, kids. Brush your teeth every morning and night to have a smile as bright as ours. Another day, another smile. See you in the next adventure. Goodbye. Did you like our mission? Please like and subscribe to Rescue Cars Fun for more. See you next time!